Why should you choose our Bachelor of Design degree program here at SAE Dubai? Let me tell you why. My name is Fiza and I'm a design student at SAE Dubai. And let me tell you why SAE Dubai is the right place for aspiring designers. Think of all the complicated Adobe softwares designers have to learn. Here at SAE Dubai, our professionally trained lecturers teach you everything from scratch. Dubai is a booming design hub. And at SAE Dubai, we students excel in key fields like branding, advertisement, content design, motion graphics, and many more, which make us stand out to other employers. Many studies show that a portfolio is a very crucial part of a designer's career. Here at SAE Dubai, we teach you and help you to build your portfolio by filling it with industry-relevant projects which help you stand out from other designers. You also get to build your soft skills like versatility, flexibility, creativity, time management, collaboration, and many more other skills that you might need in the long run. Oh, and I almost forgot. At SAE Dubai, your network will grow at an exponential rate, especially after we help you find an internship. So, what are you waiting for? Inquire about the details below and join SAE Dubai to start your design journey.